So pros, I'm gonna show you the sequence that lets me do 3 of these before lunch. DIYers, homeowners, this is the method that will make you look like a seasoned professional to your spouse, to your friends, whoever. We're installing a toilet the professional way. Fast, clean, with 0 frustration. The 5-minute toilet install that professionals use. If you want to install toilets quickly, you need to develop a process. Today, I'm going to show that to you. Okay, the clock starts now. Flush it to drain the tank. Pro tip, use a large sponge to get that last bit of water out of the tank and bowl, or a portable wet vac. It's faster and cleaner than bailing it out, and I used to do that. Now disconnect the supply line. Pop the caps and remove the nuts. The old toilet is out. That should take about 90 seconds. Next, clean the flange. No shortcuts here. A clean surface is critical. The biggest tip to doing this in the least amount of time is to have your tools ready. Now, I've got a speed wrench here. I've got a long screwdriver, and I got my little Knipex adjustable pliers. This is pretty much all I'm gonna need. Now, at first I thought, you know what, I may need a bigger pair of pliers to get the water supply line, and I'm not going to. I understand the toilet's already removed, the flange is already clean, everything's already perfect, and this is a brand new toilet, so it makes it easy. But we're gonna get this thing going. Ready? Let's do this. Now, make sure you grab the right bag. Now, I've got 2 sets of toilet bowls here. 1/4 inch, 5/16. The 1/4 inch, I don't ever use them. I don't know why they sell them. Some people do. I think it just made it cheaper for when they were selling the complete kits. So the first thing you want to do is you get your toilet bolts in place. And I like the little plastic sleeves to kind of help hold them where I want them. Okay, I got everything in place the way I want it. What I'm gonna do now, the wax ring. A lot of people put the wax ring on the floor flange. Don't do it. You risk a bad seal. Put the wax ring directly on the bottom of the toilet itself. That way you know it's perfectly centered when you set it down. Now it's time to set the new toilet. Line up the bolts with the holes and lower it straight down. No sliding, no rocking, anything at all like that. Once it's down, press firmly with your body weight to set the wax. Then, tighten the nuts by hand. First, alternating side to side. As you see right now, I'm tightening or getting both nuts ran down at the same time. Anything that you can do working two-handed instead of one-handed is going to make this go quicker for you. Now, since I don't have a hard tile floor, I mean, this thing's gonna wobble a little bit. I get it. This whole deck's wobbling, but it's gonna tighten up to the tile or anything a whole lot faster. So the next thing that you're gonna do is get your tank to bowl bolts ready. Okay, so when you look at this, see you got the flat edges, you wanna make sure they line up on your nuts right. That big nut down there on the bottom. Get everything in place. Now, this is where I like my long screwdriver. So I can take my long screwdriver and put it in there. Actually, I'm gonna do the hard side first. And the rubber side down. All right. Oh, I'm putting the rubber up. I'm thinking of it the other way. Now, I do like these slow close seats too. I need to put the china caps on. I need to cut my bolts. I understand that. I need to hook up my water line. But to be honest, really you can set this toilet in less than 5 minutes. And guys, if you get your systems and processes down, you've got the right tools with you each and every time, it makes it easy. And at the end of the day, that's what this is all about. Now that you know how to install a toilet like a professional, check out this video right here. The only 4 tools you need to fix 99% of the toilet problems right now. Or maybe you like this other one over here where we test a cheap toilet versus an expensive one. I'll see you in the next video.